In this tutorial, we'll crochet this adorable mini backpack. It's the perfect little accessory for amigurumi dolls or even a cute keychain. Let's get started. Let's start with the first backpack piece. Make a slip knot. And chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip the first chain. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make 4 single crochets, 1 in each chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now make 4 single crochets into the last chain. Continue along the opposite side of the starting chain. Make 1 single crochet in each of the remaining 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work. For row 2, chain 1 and make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then make 2 increases. For each increase, work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And 1 more increase. Finish the row with 5 single crochets. After row 2, weave in the yarn tail. If you have a small hole in the center, use the tail to close it up. Turn your work. For row 3, chain 1 and make 5 single crochets. Then make 1 increase. Next, make 2 single crochets. Followed by another increase. Finish with 5 single crochets. Now don't turn your work. Chain 1 to create the first corner. Then continue along the edge with 6 single crochets. Row 4. Chain 1 to create the second corner. Now work 16 single crochets through the back loops only. Chain 1 for the first corner, then work 6 single crochets through the back loops only, along the remaining edge. Now make the final chain 1 corner. To finish, we'll use an invisible join. Insert the hook into the first single crochet from the back and pull the working loop through to the back. Cut the yarn and fasten off. I'll mark each corner with a stitch marker. This will make it easier to see where the corners are when we make the second piece and sew the two pieces together. Now let's make the second piece. Repeat rows 1 through 3, just as we did for the first piece. This time don't work row 4. Leave a long yarn tail. And now let's sew the two pieces together. From here we start to sew. On first piece, insert the needle through both loops of the stitch. On the second piece, insert the needle through the back loop only. Continue sewing through each stitch along the edge, including the chain 1 corner spaces. Now let's make the front pocket. Using a contrasting color, chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip the first chain and starting in the second chain from the hook, work 6 single crochets through the back bumps of the chain. Working through the back bumps gives both the top and the bottom edges of the pocket a neat and matching look. Turn your work. For rows 2 and 3, chain 1 and then make 6 single crochets. Fasten off and weave in the ends. Now let's sew the pocket onto the backpack. Once the pocket is attached, we can add the little zippers. And now for the final step, the straps and the handle. For my backpack, I'm chaining 36. If you need longer straps, just make more chains. The first 15 chains will make the first strap. The next chain is our first attachment point, I'll mark it. Then we have 4 chains for the handle, followed by another chain for the second attachment point. The remaining 15 chains make the second strap. Now let's sew the straps and the handle onto the backpack. And that's it! Your tiny crochet backpack is finished. It makes such a sweet little accessory for amigurumi dolls or even a tiny keychain. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tiny crochet projects. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!